Tradify and Simpro are both built for trade businesses, but they solve different problems. Electricians running small teams often choose software that keeps quoting and invoicing simple, while larger electrical contractors usually need deeper job management and reporting tools. By the end of this video, you'll know how Tradify and Simpro compare, which type of electrical business each platform is designed for, and which one is likely to fit your workflow better in 2026. Here's the direct answer. Tradify is commonly chosen by sole traders and small electrical businesses that want to manage quotes, jobs, invoices, and customer information without a complicated setup. Simpro is often selected by medium-sized and larger electrical contractors that need more advanced project management, scheduling, inventory control, and business reporting. Let's start with Tradify. The platform focuses on everyday fieldwork. You can create a quote, convert it into a job, assign work, track job progress, generate an invoice, and keep customer records in one place. For many electricians, that's enough to manage the entire business without switching between multiple apps. The interface is straightforward, which makes it easier for small teams to get started. Simpro covers those same core tasks, but expands well beyond them. It includes tools for managing larger projects, coordinating multiple technicians, tracking materials, handling more detailed workflows, and monitoring business performance. Companies with office staff, warehouse operations, and several crews often need that extra level of control. The biggest mistake electricians make is buying software for the business they hope to have instead of the business they operate today. If you spend most of your time installing outlets, upgrading panels, and sending invoices at the end of the day, you may never use many of the advanced tools available in a larger platform. Take Alex as an example. He owns a local electrical business with 3 electricians. His priority is sending quotes quickly, scheduling jobs, and getting paid without paperwork piling up. Tradify supports that workflow with minimal complexity. Now look at John. He manages several crews working on commercial electrical projects at the same time. He needs to monitor schedules, materials, ongoing job costs, and project progress across the company. Simpro is better suited to that type of operation because it provides more comprehensive management tools. Before making a decision, think about where your business spends the most time. If your biggest challenge is staying organized on everyday service calls, choose the platform that makes daily work faster. If you're coordinating larger projects with more people and more moving parts, choose the platform built for that level of complexity. The key takeaway is simple. Tradify is a strong fit for electricians who want an efficient and easy-to-use field service system. Simpro is often preferred by larger electrical businesses that need broader operational control. Compare both platforms using your real workflow before you commit. If this comparison helped you, like the video, subscribe, and check out our other software comparisons for trade businesses.